Fahrenheit. Louisiana Porkchops. Yield 6 servings. 6 double pork chops. 2½ cups chopped apple. 3/4 cup chopped pecans. 1/2 cup graham cracker crumbs. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/8 teaspoon allspice. 1/2 teaspoon ginger. 4 tablespoons New Orleans molasses. 3/4 cup flour. 1 cup milk. 1 cup saltine cracker crumbs. 1 cup boiling water. Combine apples, pecans, graham cracker crumbs, seasoning, and molasses. Spoon into pouch in each chop. Dip stuffed chops in milk, then in saltine cracker crumbs. Brown chops on both sides in just enough grease to prevent burning. Place in covered roaster. Add boiling water. Bake 1 hour at 300 degrees Fahrenheit.